So my name is Jason Cardiff. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Cleano2 Carbon Capture Technologies. We're the world's first micro-scale carbon capture system designed specifically for the commercial heating industry. The way our technology works is we use a metal hydroxide to interact with the flue stream of a gas-fired appliance. By doing so, we reduce the overall energy expenditures in each building by up to 20%. And we do that because the chemicals that we use are exothermic in nature, so they help offset other energy demands in the building, for example, domestic hot water heating. Secondly, that byproduct that is produced from that chemical reaction creates a commodity, and that commodity can then be sold out on the market scale for more than what we initially bought the chemical for. And then to incentivize our customers, we profit share from the sale of that byproduct with our customer to hasten the return on the investment for the equipment, and of course cover our operating expenditures. So heat recovery, fairly simple. We use a standard fin and tube type heat exchanger that's shown up to 85% efficient, so we're able to offset the water temperatures coming into a building for domestic heating. So municipalities will typically feed the water temperatures in around 7 to 10 degrees centigrade. I apologize, that's metric, not imperial. We then take that energy to increase the temperature to 30 to 40 degrees centigrade and then pump it into your hot water tank, where you bring it up to 60 to 80 degrees centigrade for your tank. Greenhouse gas emissions, once again, we're able to demonstrate up to a 20% reduction in overall GHG emissions. Once again, doing that directly through carbon capture using metal hydroxides as a capture medium. And then, of course, the product that we're using is safe. We use anhydrous metal hydroxides, so on-site safety is obviously a very serious concern for us. We do use these chemicals on a day-to-day basis in the heating industry as a means of neutralizing, acidizing of boilers when we're maintaining this equipment. And then, of course, the profit-sharing piece of this model, which is kind of key to what we're doing. To give you an idea of the scope of what that means, we buy our potassium hydroxide at around $1,300 per metric ton. We put it into our equipment, process it, and then when it comes out, it's ready to go directly to market, and it can be sold at current commodity values at between $3,200 and $3,900 per metric ton. That's just current commodity values. That's not inflated because it's a green product. By doing so, we're able to hasten the return on the investment to the customer by year 5. We account for energy offsets, as well as the free preventative maintenance schedule that we provide to each customer. And that's it. I'm afraid there was some video in there, but we've got a booth out here if you'd like to ask more questions. I'd love to answer them. Thank you.